All right, I thought I'd show another upgrade that I had done a while back. These are the Centramatic Wheel Balancers. And again, I'm not sponsored by these guys, but I went ahead and installed these a couple years ago because I was getting a lot of cupping on the edges of my front tire. Even though I'd taken them in, I had them rebalanced, did everything I could, I was still getting a lot of cupping. So I went ahead and I went to these units. And they basically just slide over the lug nuts. And they've got a ring here that has some beads in it. And as your tire spins, it actually balances the hub and the wheel all in one. Now, I will mention that I actually had a problem with these when I ordered them. And it was that Centramatic did not bore out these holes to match my studs. And even this ring was just a little shy. So somehow they kind of screwed that up. And I had to manually slightly make these larger. So I don't know if anybody else has had that problem, but you know, I definitely did. And I was able to take care of it, but again, it was a lot of extra work I had to do to get these things on. I also put them on the rear, and let me walk down here. They're slightly different because they're more of a flat disc, because they're going to go in between your duals. So if you look back here, you can see them right there. And they've been working great. I am super happy with them, and I would definitely recommend them. Again, it has solved my problems with any kind of wheel balance or cupping that I had. So I just replaced these tires, and I had almost 70,000 miles on the old ones, and I didn't have any cupping. So, you know, I can attest that they did what they were supposed to do.